Alright, yo, check what's going on. It's your workout buddy JMJ, the self-trainer, alright? And I'm back with another running tip. Running tip 22. Alright, so after a tough run, you always want to try to get the maximum oxygen intake. I know most people want to lay down, sit down, relax, and catch their breath, but the best thing you can do is continue to stay on your feet and walk around, all right? Or even put your hands over your head, you know, to allow your lungs, instead of be like flat down like this, you know, sitting down on your lungs, so it's like the oxygen is going in. I would rather have my hands up over my head like this, as to where you can actually get the maximum oxygen intake, because your lungs is more up than hanging down. So with that being said, that's your boy JMJ, Running Tips 22. I hope that Running Tips helps you, because it definitely helps me out. All right, see ya.